everyone, so on this episode of Make It with Calvin, I'm doing a home delivery. So let's get down there and make it happen. So here we are back with the Corvair, the gift that never stops giving me great projects because he keeps coming up with great ideas. Promise, he's not totally nuts. No, this is actually a really cool project involving both 3D design, which is the primary thing, and 3D printing. So originally there was a plastic insert that would go inside here, and this probably zinc or pot metal casting that went on the front of the car had, you know, it said the car's name, logo, all that stuff. Really cool. But the problem is, over time, obviously plastics, when exposed to the sun, UV, all that stuff, they degrade, especially older plastics that don't have the wonderful makes them stick around forever additives that modern ones do. So my dad wondered is, being this is a Corvair Lakewood, would it be possible to print an insert that had the word Lakewood on it? And I said, sure, that sounds like a great idea. That shouldn't be too hard. Not realizing the multiple compound angles on here. This part has an angle and that tapers on both sides. And the wonderful people in the past decided to use this weird tab mounting system, which, yeah, once that thing gets in there, it doesn't want to come out for better or for worse. That aside though, I did multiple iterations in just some white PLA. I originally started on this around Thanksgiving of last year because I had driven down, and all the other times, including this time, obviously, that I've come down, I've flown. And this is too big to fit on the Thing-O-Matic, so that's out of the question. So after getting the file down and good, I had a couple of the PLA ones, but obviously I wanted to make one in something more durable, so this was printed in clear PETG. So my dad's going to do on a different day is he's going to come along with some foam and a little bit of spray paint and just gently color the tops of the letters here so it'll stand out more. Now the cool thing is, with this being PETG, we hold it up to the light, you can get some light through it. So if my dad ever decided to put, say, like some LED lights or something behind it, could make it glow, really make it pop, and honestly make it cooler than the original. So I know the diehard make it, you know, perfect restoration people might not be into this, but if you want to make a custom one, you could totally put, you know, whatever text you want on the front or something like that. So if you guys are interested in these, let me know and I'll see what I can do about making them available. I will say, obviously, because everybody's, you know, weird tab mounting system is different, you might have to do a little sanding to fit, but I figure it's a lot better than trying to, you know, make one yourself. So hope you guys enjoyed, and trust me, there will probably be more Corvair projects, 3D printing or not related, in the future because, well, it's still got a little ways to go. All right, see you guys later. Oh, and as a little bonus, my dad has actually been busy fixing the floors in here, so slowly, obviously, those are not the original panels. Those are not the original panels, and that is TBD when the weather cooperates, because literally, as you saw on camera, it was raining yesterday and it is bright and sunny today, but it's probably going to be raining the rest of the week.